We've imported a flat transcript, that text file transcript. Let's import a .dvt file. You can also import a .cms file. Those are deposition synced video, video deposition synced files that connect the video with the transcript. Let's get those in. Same thing, just like the flat transcript. Transcripts Explorer plus symbol for the add item. Now we're going to browse out to my Michael Poley folder. Now it has my exhibits, import media, vendor information. We're looking for a .dvt file. That's going to be this guy right here. You can also import a .cms file, this guy right here. They're both the same kind of theory behind. They're both video synced deposition transcript files. The difference is that DVT will bring in linked exhibits. So if the court reporter linked exhibits to that DVT, you have the option to bring them in, but the CMS, you don't have that option. So DVT gives you a little bit more flexibility as to what you want to bring in and what you don't. So we're going to select open. Same wizard, right? Your name, first name, middle name, last name, deposition date, transcript type. Remember, we want to put in there that it's a deposition, volume, exhibit number, trial exhibit number, common name. Now, because this has media files associated with it, there's that multimedia file. That's the file name, file size, and duration. If this is red, that means it was unable to locate the file. All you need to do is browse out and find it. Usually it's in the media folder here or multimedia. Reasons that it could have broken or why it can't find it is that you changed this folder structure name right here. Now, the DVT is linked to find that folder and then where it is in that main folder. If you change that name, that link breaks. Now, you can definitely change that name. If you don't like MP072195, that's perfectly acceptable, right? That's hard to find. You can change it to Poley, Michael if you wanted to, or whatever works best for your system. Just be mindful that when you get to this point to importing, you're going to have to browse out and find those media files for that deposition because that link is now broken. We're going to hit next. Like I said, with .dvt files, you have the option of bringing in linked exhibits. So this has a linked exhibit, exhibit 417. We can choose to bring that in, or we can choose to remove it so it doesn't come in. If you already have that exhibit in here, you can remove it. If, again, the link is broken, it'll be red right here. Just locate the file. Again, that's just because this little file link here was broken. The folder name is different. We're going to bring in 417. We're going to select next, our summary page like always, and then select add. You're going to get the view. You're going to get add more, close, just like we did with the other text file for Edward Eister here. It's going to take a little bit longer because it does have a video associated with it, so it does have a little bit longer to copy over, but it shouldn't take too long. Almost. All right, so we have view, add transcript, close. Like I said, we're going to view it. We have our transcript here. We have our video over here on the right-hand side. And then any synchronized exhibits we have that we've linked to a particular audio video time, we can see that pop up in the preview of what exhibit it would be when it's going to pop up. So we have a little bit more options there because we have video, whereas with the Ed Eister transcript, we didn't have any multimedia video. We don't have any synchronized exhibits that you're going to attach to it. So that's probably going to remain blank the entire time. With Michael Poley, we had the video, so we have a little bit more features associated with it. And that's bringing in a DVT. Thanks so much for attending.